Okay, I'm staying in Royal Mansour Marrakech for the second time. One of the most beautiful hotels in the world, I think. And I'm going to take you on a quick tour of my riad, which is number 23, a 1-bedroom, 3-floor riad, which is actually the entry-level category, but it's still massive. Okay, so we're in my little personal patio courtyard area where guests can wait, all sealed in. And there is, looking up to the sky, James Turrell installation. Like, everything you see here was done entirely by hand. 1,500 artisans worked on this property, which apparently is owned by the King of Morocco. So it's absolutely the best of everything. It's a showcase for exemplary Moroccan crafts and craftsmanship. Here is the ground floor living area. All of that tiling again was done by hand. That woodwork done by hand. Anything you see here that looks crafted, you can assume was made by hand. There we go. There are 53 riads in the hotel, so rather than staying in rooms, everyone gets an individual riad, 3 stories or so in height. Here is our little mini bar. I would like to see more Moroccan goods here. It's a little bit of a surprising omission given that they showcase everything about Moroccan crafts everywhere else. It's a working fireplace over there. Butlers are designated for each riad, so if you want someone to light it up, they can come over straight away. So as I said, over 1,500 artisans worked in this, and apparently there's about 500 or so staff in the property. But what's interesting is that you never actually get to see them, or rarely see them unintentionally. There's the downstairs toilet. That's because there's a warren, 1 kilometer long, of laneways beneath the resort, and staff shuttle to and fro underground, so you don't see them at all unless you call one to come. If you look here, another aspect of the attention to detail, on my phone it looks like wallpaper, but this is actually carved designs chiseled into the cement. Again, beautiful flooring all laid by hand. Storage here on this mezzanine level. We're going to continue up. Just a little light feature there to the bedroom. And there's service entrances for each riad across the side on each level. So if you call a staff member, they come in through little doorways here. If you can just see, there's some extra storage there. Now we're approaching into the bedroom. Which is super comfy. The air conditioning is totally silent and not actually that necessary, even though it was 37 degrees out today, because the riads themselves are so cool. The way they face internally with the courtyards. You've got storage in there and there. And then if we go through here, this is the bathroom. Again, all of that tiling is laid by hand. There I am. Here is the bathtub, shower, toiletries are by a Moroccan brand called Morocco. There's the robe, which I've yet to try. And TV is hidden ordinarily behind these panels. And this also is quite nifty. This panel is for aircon, lighting, and the do not disturb. And if we go up to the final level, you get a lot of steps in when you stay here, but some of the riads do have elevator access for people who are less mobile. And then we go up here to the final level, and you've got your roof terrace. Space to sunbathe, a fireplace for when it does get cold in winter, private plunge pool, which is heated. And here are views over the surrounding border of Marrakech city. We're right in the center of it, but it's bizarrely quiet here. And there you have it. That's a riad tour, one of the 53 riads in Royal Mansour.